The Isle of Man, in the middle of the Irish Sea, is not part of Great Britain or the European Union. It's dependent on the British Crown. It's not only known as a tax haven or for the Isle of Man TT motorcycle race, but also for the 70-kilometer long railway network. The Groudle Glen Railway, which opened in 1869, is very close to the island's capital Douglas, somewhere hidden in the forest. The operation was started with a steam locomotive and 3 passenger cars. The number of passengers quickly increased, and a second steam locomotive and other carriages were added. In 1921, the steam locomotives were replaced by battery locomotives. But this plan was quickly reserved because the battery locomotives were very error-prone. Steam locomotives ran here until the 1960s. After that, railway operations were discontinued. The Isle of Man Steam Railway Supporters Association decided to reactivate the railway in the 1980s. The 900-meter-long route runs from Lhen Coan to Sea Lion Rocks, where there used to be a zoo. Today there's a slight connection between the animals in the zoo and the names of the Groudle Glen Railway locomotives. Now you can let your eyes wander over the sea up here. Lhen Coan is situated in a natural gorge on the Isle of Man. The building is a replica of the original station building. The main locomotive shed for the railway is also located here.
That's a lot easier, isn't it? Yeah. Alright, see you now.
In the Blue Lagoon, a curving curve to the right begins the steep ascent to the cliffs above the sea. The locomotive noisily struggles upwards together with the wagons. Thanks to the volunteers who still operate the railway today, this piece of railway history can be still experienced by passengers. Enjoy the new week, whether with or without railways.